Hello student. So once again I am here with you a new topic for you. Before we dive into learning, let me ask about you. How are you? I hope you fit and fine. Well, so now we are going to learn about chapter 10, motion and measurement of distances. Student, and today class topic is the history of transport. So we will now discuss how people traveled and carried goods from one place to another place in earlier times and how they do it these days. Long ago, the people did not have any means of transport. So, in ancient times, people used to move on foot or on animals and carried goods themselves and camel bags, etc. And also used these animals for carrying heavy goods. In ancient time, people also used boats for transport along water routes. Okay, such as rivers. In Italy, the boats were single and simple longs of wood in which a hollow cavity was made for people to and carry goods. Later on, people learn to join together, okay, planks of wood and to make boats having streaming shape. Okay, so students, the invention of wheels. Okay, the invention of wheels. Okay, so this is wheels. Okay, and this will be invention and made a great change the modes of transport. Okay, invention the wheel made great change in modes of transport. Okay, the wheels were used to making the transport vehicles was such as bull carts, horse carts, okay, and camel carts, etc. Okay, animals such as bull carts and horses and camels used to pull the vehicles. Okay, which moves on wheels. The invention of wheels also led to the development of bicycle. Okay, a popular mode of transport. Okay, and students in beginning 19th century. Okay, the beginning 19th century, the invention of steam engine. Okay, beginning 19th century, invention of steam engine introduced a new source of power to run transport vehicles. Okay, so the steam engines were used to pull trains on railroads. Okay, and for carrying use for were used to pull trains. Okay, and for carrying people and goods from one place to another. Okay, so steam engines were also used to run ships in the beginning. Okay, and the steam engine is called external combustion engines because the fuel coal for making steam was burned outside the engine. Okay, so students, in starting 19th century, invention the steam engine. After then, the inventions of internal combustion engine. internal combustion engine. Okay, in 19th century, second half. Okay, 19th century gave us transport vehicles, automobiles such as cars, buses, trucks, motorcycles. Okay, and scooters. Okay, for travel. Okay. So, student, 19th century gave us transport vehicles called automobiles such as cars, buses, trucks, motorcycles, and scooters. Okay, for travel on land too. So, travel land on okay, for travel on land. Okay, so motorboats and ships were developed as means of transport on water. Okay, so students, in what about 20th century? Okay, so 20th century aeroplane were developed as means of transport in the early 20th century. Okay, and this 20th century the aeroplanes now carry, okay, of passenger and goods worldwide. Okay, so helicopter were also made as means of travel by air. Okay, and electric trains, supersonic aeroplanes. Okay, and spacecraft are some of the 20th century contributions to the modes of transport. Okay, so I hope understood all of you the story of transport and what is transport. Okay. So, spend the carry people and goods from one place to another is called transport. Okay, what is transport? The carry people and goods from one place to another is called transport. Okay, so student, in next video we will discuss about distances and measurement. Okay, so this topic is in. Okay, so I hope understood all of you. Have a nice day. Good day.